Hello, friend. Welcome back. This is Golden Sun. We'll continue learning Swift programming language. Um, if you are a new friend, right? Let's recap how we got here. So when we create an empty or kind of empty app for Swift UI, right? In Xcode, originally we just get something like that. Okay, that's the skeleton code provided by the Xcode. Let's run it. Yeah, and we cannot yet focus here. We cannot put any code like that if we want to print out something, right? Hello, or thank you, my friend, right? Thank you. It doesn't compile. Yeah, so to make this place our playground, right? We need to put a return here. That's it. Um, you understand why in the future, but don't worry about for now. Okay. So now it compiles, and if we run it by clicking this one, right, black triangle here, we can see thank you on the bottom console here, like that, right? This is our um, bottom console. If it's hidden, you can bring up by clicking that, and you can adjust its right height. Okay, so we can put our comments here, right, under. So this is our playground, okay, under this line and above this line, okay, like that. Let's put something like that. Okay. Above this line is our between those two lines, right? Comments is our playground. Okay. So today we'll try a for loop. So if we print out two things, right? Like hello or no, I want to thank you again and again. Okay, my friend. So if we print out twice, thank you twice, run it, we'll get 2, right? Thank you here, right? And what if, oh yeah, we can make a copy of that, right? Copy, Command C, and Command V, paste twice, we get 6 of them. But that's called duplicated code. It smells, okay? It smells. A better way to do that is using for loop like that, type for, and accept the autocomplete help. And now item in items, so we can put an item I here. In items here we can put in a range like 0 dot 5. Yeah, so it means the body of this for loop will be run 6 times, right? We count from 0 to 5. I will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, totally 6 of them. So we can cut or make a copy of that and paste it here like that. Now we don't need that. We can highlight that and command slash to comment out that, and the command slash again we can toggle that, command slash, okay, comment out. Now there's a warning here. It says I wasn't will not be used. It's okay, we don't need to fix that. Now run again, command R. We should be able to see, oh, thank you, thank you, right? 6 times. What if we want to show the I, right? We can put it here using this backslash parenthesis, right? We can show the content, right? The value of I. Now run it. Now the warning is gone because now we use it, right? Run it. yeah, 6 times, right? Starting from that. And now we can clean up this one. Yeah. Let's put an empty line here. Make it okay. So 6 of them. What if we, so now this number is 5, but we have 6 of them. So that's why Apple provides another better syntax, like less than, right? So I will be from 0 to 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, exactly 5 times. So the iteration is 5 times. It matches this number. That's why, including me, right, programs like this syntax more than prefer this one to dot 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 is inclusive, but this one is like half inclusive, right? It includes the first number 0, but it doesn't include 5. So let's run it. Yeah, and if you want to make it look better, you can still put a space here, but it doesn't compile. I guess you have to put another one here. So this one is like an operator, like a plus sign. If you do, right, 1 plus, for example, if you do 1 plus 1, you can do that one. Okay, let me give you an example here. So let x equals 1 plus 2. This is okay, but that is not okay, right? And this is also okay. So the better style is like that. Put a space around the operator, okay, to separate the operands. Now let's delete that. So here, but okay, so now next let's print out 5 random numbers, okay? Instead of thank you, random numbers. So random numbers, we can delete that. And oh, we also want to show I here, and we can put another, right, thing here, random number ARC. Yeah, that one. Run it. Pretty big. What if we just want 2 digits number, right? So we can use the modulo mod 100. It means the remainder divided by 100. Run it. Okay, cool. Okay, so maybe we can make it more readable. Random number space, right? And that space, and followed by that. Okay, let's see. Random number 0, number 1. Okay, great, pretty random. Aha, okay. That's the for loop. For loop, okay. And I want, yeah, before we end this video, let me show you what if we don't use the I, right, like that. Run it. We'll see the warning, right, because we don't use, we just get the 5 random numbers here. And if this is the only thing, right, if this is the only thing here, we don't need the backslash parentheses inside the double quotes. We can just use this expression here to keep it simple, my friend, right? You like that? Run it. That's the same. If we don't need anything else, we just output the value. We can use this simplified syntax for print. Now let's fix that. So here you can click this guy, click this icon here. Xcode provides the fix button to automatically fix it for us. Fix. You see, it put an underscore there because we don't use it, right? So this is just a placeholder. You cannot just remove it. It doesn't compile. Right? Now undo Command Z to put it back. Okay, this is the simplest form to output 5 random number, 2 digit, right? Maybe 1 digit. Okay, 1 digit. That's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.